when we were conceptualizing the Lentor Mansion project, we're trying to look for a reference or an inspiration that will allow us to give the project a little bit more sense of heritage, sense of soul. So this is the reason why we have picked the colonial black and white bungalows as our inspiration for Lentor Mansion. These black and white bungalows tend to be nestled in hilly areas with trees, thick foliage, and they've got a very interesting contrast between man-made and the natural environment. When dealing with heritage icon and trying to draw inspiration from it, we need to be very careful, because if we just appropriate the icon and its characteristics, then it's kind of a shallow way to do it. On the other hand, if we kind of draw inspiration from it, then the sense of the inspiration will be felt but at a deeper level. So the design process for us was actually had to go through many rounds of iteration with the architects and the landscape architect, figure out how to strike the right balance between drawing inspiration and just imitating the heritage icon. The way we've done it is that the common facilities, such as the clubhouse, as well as some of the pavilions or the gardens, will be maybe more of a direct translation of what a black and white bungalow is. For the residential blocks, apartments, the inspiration will be a little bit more subtle, and really we just go to the fundamentals of natural ventilation, the sense of materiality that we can feel, and also the connection to nature that kind of guides us in terms of the way we design the apartment blocks. One of the key concepts that we have introduced for the landscaping is the idea of a borrowed landscape. We try to blend the edges and select species that would also blend with the vegetation that is outside, so that the sense of the landscape would flow seamlessly from internal to external.